Right, this kit can be installed in any laser machine that has the Ruida controller. In this case, we're going to be installing it on a Houghton RF460. There's no wiring to do, just unplug the CN1 plug from the main board and plug this guy. Mount this to the wall or the machine. Connect the air to the fittings and the connections that we have in there for the air hoses. For the RF460, the other thing we're gonna do is have access to the back of the machine where the air assist comes. Over here, the little pump that comes with the laser has a little quick connect. We're just gonna push in and that will release. I'm trying to do this all with one hand, so there you go. So that will release. So that hose, the blue hose that comes from the inside of the machine, we're going to connect it to the quick connect in our splitter over here, just like that. If I follow the wires into this little power source over here, there are the blue and the brown that go into number 1 and number 2 terminals in there. We're just going to disconnect those and take this out. Just gonna take our splitter here, and has a mini regulator in there too, and then we're just gonna plug it in. All right, you just push it in there so it locks. All right, so here we have the whole system installed. Just takes about maybe 4 or 5 minutes. Really easy to do. Like I said, you know, from your splitter over here, you connect the blue hose that comes from the machine and just plug it in there. If you're gonna have it in the outside, it comes with an extra hose, so you can make that happen. Get the air in, and of course this is the air out going into the machine. The next quick step is going to be taking our power source or adapter, AC to DC adapter, and plug it in the RF460. You're gonna find a bunch of electric ports in there. They're 110, and they only run when the machine is running. So you just plug it in anywhere in there, any of those, and then the other end, we just attach it to the electronics box and to the little port in there, and just make sure that everything is nicely organized in there. And then we have it. We're gonna go into the final step, which is connected to from the electronics box over here to the motherboard for the laser. All right, so here we are. We have the Ruida main board. All that we have to do is disconnect the port that it says CN1. Disconnect that, and we're gonna take the port from the dual air assist, and we're just gonna plug it in on its place, and that's it. You're done. Now you have a true dual air assist for your laser.